Hello guys, welcome to ICS Mahesh PU College Dharwad. Myself Basangouda C. Patil, Department of Mathematics. In this session, I am going to deal with determinants. Weightage of this chapter: 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question, 4 mark 1 question. Total number of marks are 12. This is very important as well as easiest chapter. Let us consider few examples in order to clear the concept. Hello students, what are these? Yes, these are the square matrix of order 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3. Now, question is why we need to consider only square matrix? Because determinant deals with only square matrix. If matrix is not a square matrix, determinant value does not exist. Every square matrix is associated with a number. That number may be real or complex, is called determinant. So it is denoted by determinant of A 1 cross 1 matrix, determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix is A, B, C, D, determinant of 3 cross 3 is determinant of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Observe that the matrix is denoted by rectangular bracket, whereas the determinant is denoted by two vertical lines. This is the difference between matrix and determinant. Let us define it formally. If M, capital M, is a set of square matrix, K is the set of numbers, it may be real or complex, then F is mapping from M to K is defined by F of A equals to K, where A belongs to M, K belongs to capital K, is called determinant of matrix A. It is denoted by determinant of A, we read as determinant of A. It is also denoted by det of A or delta. Remember guys, for matrix A, determinant of A is read as determinant of A, not modulus of A. Second note, only square matrix have determinants. Determinant of matrix order 1. So let us discuss how to determine the determinant of matrix 1 cross 1. Say capital A equals to, whose entries are 1, that is A, then determinant of A is delta of A or det of A equals to again A. Say one example. If A equals to 8 with the order 1 cross 1, det of A equals to again 8. Next one, let us discuss how to determine determinant of matrix 2 cross 2. Consider A equals to 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are A11, A12, A21, A22. Then determinant of A is obtained by multiplying the diagonal elements. Product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements. Here what are the diagonal elements? A11, A22 are diagonal elements, A12, A21 are non-diagonal elements. So delta equals to product of diagonal elements, that is A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. This is determinant of matrix order 2 cross 2. Let us take one example. Evaluate the determinant of 2, 4, 1, 2. Determinant of 2, 4, 1, 2 is again product of diagonal elements, that is 2 into 2 minus 1 into 4. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 into 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Evaluate the determinant of x, x plus 1, x minus 1, x. Again same, determinant of given matrix is obtained by product of the principal diagonal elements. Here principal diagonal elements are x and x. So x into x minus product of non-principal diagonal elements, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1, x into x, x square minus x plus 1 into x minus 1 is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Therefore x plus 1 into x minus 1 is x square minus 1. Let us remove the bracket. X square minus x square, minus into minus plus 1. So final answer is 1. One more example. Evaluate the following determinants. 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1. Determinant of given matrix is again obtained by product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements, that is 2 into minus 1 minus 5 into 4, that is what, minus 2 plus 20. Final answer is 18. Next example. Evaluate the following determinants. Matrix cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Determinant value is cos into cos, that is minus. Next example. Evaluate the following determinants, whose entries are my x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Again product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements. X square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus product of non-diagonal elements. X minus 1 and x plus 1 are the non-diagonal elements, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1. Here x plus 1 is common, so remaining term x square minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1. After simplification, you will get x plus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 2. Thank you guys. Keep watching.